Hello everyone, Happy New Year. How are you doing? Are you looking to start your fitness journey this new year? Are you ready to start your fitness journey this year? You really want to improve your health? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready to start your fitness journey. Amazing, amazing. So today we are going to discuss much more about back pain, chronic pains like back pain, neck pain, and how you can come out of it. And today we have invited Flexify Me, Dr. Naveen from Flexify Me, to discuss and to educate to discuss and educate us more about it. Okay, let me invite them here. And let us know if you have any questions, anything you want to ask. Are you also suffering from back pain, right back? Hello, Dr. Naveen. How are you?
Hi Nidhi, I'm all good. How are you?
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So before we start, I really want to introduce all of you about Flexify Me. Flexify Me is a one-stop platform for your chronic pains. Their
Yes,
aim
definitely.
is to make you pain-free and so that you can live a healthier and happier life. So tell us, Dr. Naveen, something about Flexify Me, because I know Flexify Me is providing a unique approach.
Yeah.
But tell us something from your end, and then I will add on it.
See, Nidhi, in Flexify Me, we had a very kind of a proper program we used to make a plan for the patient. So generally, हम लोग patients को exactly through the AI software, through the tandem protocols for the patients according to their conditions, and a whole program we generally plan for the patients. ताकि whole उनका continuously as a program होना चाहिए, and continuously उनका recovery we used to maintain with the yoga, with the mental wellness, and with the physiotherapy. So it's kind of a not only with the physiotherapy, but everything we used to make for the
Right,
patients.
right. So the biggest problem in back pain or back pain related issues is it's not one thing which is impacting or which is creating back pain. It's a
Exactly.
multidimensional thing where you need to focus. You need to focus on your stress. You need to
Yeah.
focus on what you eat. You need to focus on your overall flexibility, and you need to take care of your you need to take guidance from physiotherapists for specific movements.
Yeah.
So a wholesome package is required so that you can get rid of your back pain and see long-term results. And
Yeah.
all this is packaged in Flexify Me program. And I'm super, super impressed in this era where for everything we need a AI. We need a AI tool for this. We need a AI tool for this, and AI tool for writing, AI tool for thinking. So how Flexify Me is making use of AI technology in analyzing the posture, giving you tangible milestone. I think that is a big win. What Flexify Me is bringing on the platform, and this is amazing. So tell me, with this technology, like the AI based technology, what is that one single thing which you see with respect to which was not there in the traditional method of healing chronic back pain?
Okay. So basically, with the technology, what I can feel right now is that patients sometimes don't get enough time to visit to the clinic for the consultation, for the make a proper assessment. So here with the Flexify Me, with the AI assessment, we had a kind of a protocol. Even if the patient is not able to visit the clinic, lively with the online sessions, we can directly assess the patient exactly where patient is having the pain. Let us assume if the patient is complaining pain regarding the neck. तो हम लोग उनको प्रॉपर असेसमेंट कर सकते हैं. वॉट एवर द पेशेंट इज गिविंग अ कंप्लेंट हिस्ट्री, we take a proper analysis of their history conditions, and may with the use of AI tools, with the every joint from the back to the neck, with the posture correction, we make a continuously kind of a concise protocol जिसमें हम लोग पेशेंट को जो हम ऑनलाइन सेशन के थ्रू उनको असिस्ट करके एज अ प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल उनके लिए प्लान कर सकते हैं. एंड विद दिस थिंग्स एटलीस्ट पेशेंट का जो टाइम क्लिनिक आने में फिर जाने में, एंड समटाइम इट हैपेंस कि पेशेंट आए हैं, उन्होंने असेसमेंट भी किया, ट्रीटमेंट, लेकिन जो उनका ट्रैवलिंग टाइम जाता है उस बीच में जो हमें रिलीफ होना चाहिए, देन अगेन दे विल लाइक कि मेरा पेन बढ़ गया है, विजिट किया है मैंने, बट एटलीस्ट विद द एआई, विद द लाइव सेशंस ऑनलाइन, हमारा वो टाइम पेशेंट का कंज्यूम हो जो है वो सेव हो सकता है, एंड हम लोग उनको प्रॉपर असेसमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. एंड एआई इज द वन ऑफ द गुड थिंग वी हैव राइट नाउ एज अ हेल्थ केयर सिचुएशन राइट नाउ.
Amazing, amazing. आपने नवीन बहुत you have added a very nice point here that with AI you are saving a lot of time because there is a person who has to go, come back. Usually, anywhere in these cities, metro cities, 30
Yeah,
minutes is minimum. It is 30
yeah,
minutes to an hour,
yeah,
right? So if you are,
definitely.
so if you are investing, if the session is for 30 minutes and you are investing 2 hours, 2 and 4, then it is like a huge time investment.
Yeah,
And if with the help of technology we can do it from the comfort of our home, there is nothing like that, right?
like at least we can save the patient traveling time
Amazing.
to make a proper continuous situations.
Right, right. And the other thing I believe that, especially, for physiotherapists, I have visited too many physiotherapists. Uh, what we, so, are you experiencing any audio issue? Can you hear us
Yes,
properly?
I think there is some audio issues coming.
You cannot hear me properly?
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
am I not? Okay, I can. Is it better now?
I think now it is much
Is
better.
it better? Okay.
Yes,
You never know what will work.
exactly.
Is a problem, then yeah, I'm fine now. So yeah, so one thing is this, the other thing is consistency. What I have seen, the whole profession of physiotherapy is therapy is like this. You go to different physiotherapists and you get different kind of guidelines.
Exactly. And what happens generally, Nidhi, पेशेंट एक पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन सिचुएशंस के लिए फिजियोथेरेपी स्टार्ट करते हैं, विद इन अ रिलीफ दे गेट, देन दे जस्ट डिसकंटिन्यू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम. एंड होता क्या है ना कि अगर हमारा बैक पेन इश्यूज है तो वी जनरली मेक अ कंसाइज एंड प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल फॉर दैट, एंड दैट वी नीड टू फॉलो एज अ काइंड ऑफ कंटिन्यूस वे में वो प्रॉपर फॉलो करना जरूरी है. अगर वो आपने बीच में छोड़ दिया फॉर लिमिटेड टाइम, टेम्परेरी आपको रिलीफ हो गया, देन अगर आपने वो स्किप कर दिया, अगेन द कंडीशंस गेट वर्स इन अ सीवियर कंडीशंस जनरली हैपेंस, तो वो वापस से बैक टू सिचुएशंस में आ जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक वो फॉलो करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right. So, because it is convenient, you can do it from home. You are saving a lot of time, and time is money in today's world. So then with Flexify Me program, it is easier for people to follow it, to continue it for 6 months, 3 months, whatever the guidelines which are being provided.
And here I would like to add a point like even the patient is coming for any conditions, हम लोग we have a proper plain continuous program. No matter what is the condition, every condition is concise exercise program for each patient. So even if patient is taking for a 1 or 2 days break, they are having a same condition and other physiotherapists, even they are aligned, then same protocol is going to follow. It will not
Right.
change.
Right. So the protocol is centralized, and even the physiotherapist, if the physiotherapist is changing, still the same protocols are being implemented by others as well.
Yes.
So amazing. Thank you, Naveen, for this introduction. Tell us that I will say in last 10 years, we have seen a rapid rise of back pain cases. And I'm telling you, even 25 years old girls, really young girls, they are experiencing back pain, and which is a shock for me. So tell me why this is happening, and what as per your experience are the main reasons behind it.
See, right now thing is that post COVID generally I had realized that कि जो भी डेस्क जॉब प्रोफाइल है इवन, क्योंकि यंगर्स जो भी हैं डेस्क प्रोफाइल है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड वर्क फ्रॉम होम कंडीशन ज्यादा सभी के लिए फिजिबल है, दैट इज मोर बेटर। तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम के थ्रू क्या हुआ है, जनरली पेशेंट्स more in the sitting position. Let us assume if the someone is having a 7 to 8 or 9 hours working profile, then generally they are not able to break that particular working hours. 5 hour 6 hour continuously वो सेम पोजीशन में बैठे हुए हैं, लैपटॉप पे वर्क कर रहे हैं। अगेन अगर लैपटॉप पे हम वर्क करें तो फॉरवर्ड नेक बेंडिंग जो कि हमारा फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कंटिन्यूअसली नेक आपका फॉरवर्ड पोजिशनिंग में है, मसल्स आपकी हैम्पर हो रही है, आप इनकरेक्ट posture अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं continuously sitting for a long hours. So because of that incorrect posture, our neck is getting hamper, and see, neck, back and the thoracic region, everything is get connected. अगर आपका neck portion incorrect में जा रहा है तो definitely वो lumbar region भी affect करेगा, और because of that patient and all the younger age person is getting that issues particularly, जिसमें neck pain start हो रहा है उनको, back pain. So जो continuously working hours या sitting posture है, because of that I think younger one also getting right now neck pain and back pain issues. So for that I think if that particular continuously working hours, they will make a little bit changes in that timing, I think that will help you out them.
Right. So I understand people are working from home, and जब आप ऑफिस जाते हो, what will happen at times, you will get up from your desk, you will take a round, you will meet your friends, you will go to the washroom, and at times there are meetings in the conference room as well, right? So you're moving around. But
Yes,
because of working at home, which is super convenient, people are that those small movements which are built in the office environment are not there in this environment, and that's why most of the people are experiencing back pain even at a very early age.
early age.
So thank you, Dr. Naveen, for sharing this. Tell us something more with respect to what kind of major problems which you are hearing from your patient. Like there are a lot of patients who are reaching out to you. Back pain, I understand. Neck pain, I understand. What are other issues which people are facing these days?
Like Nidhi, like you said, most of the younger persons who are in the age of between 20 to 30 kind of age, so they have a less activity involved in the other things except the working hours. So if they have other activities not involved, let us assume sports and other things is not involved, then definitely they are getting again with the posture problem. Posture problem. They are coming with the knee pain also right now. Generally, knee pain occurs पोस्ट 40 to 50 years के बाद में नी पेन का इश्यूज आता है, बट लाइकवाइज आई रियलाइज फ्रॉम पोस्ट कोविड की बिकॉज ऑफ द सिटिंग थिंग्स, कंटिन्यूसली आप सिटिंग पोजीशन में, नी आपका बेंडिंग पोजीशन में है, तो दे आर कमिंग विद द नी पेन आल्सो. रिसेंटली आई हैड आल्सो एनालाइज लाइक कि पेशेंट इज हैविंग दैट कंडीशन विच जनरली occurs आफ्टर 50, डिजेनरेटिव काइंड ऑफ जो कंडीशंस आफ्टर 50 होना चाहिए, तो बिफोर दैट आल्सो सम पेशेंट्स आर गेटिंग, तो वो एक काइंड ऑफ नी पेन इश्यूज भी आजकल बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है. एंड एनी हाउ पॉस्चर्स तो सभी, मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस जो भी सिटिंग डेस्क जॉब वर्क है उनके केसेस में पॉस्चर सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो रहा है. तो वाइल ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट आई जनरली ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि उनका पॉस्चर सबसे पहले करेक्ट होना चाहिए. एंड अगेन सी, अगर पेशेंट सिटिंग के पोजिशन उनका ज्यादा है तो डेफिनेटली ओबिसिटी उनका भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बेली फैट आ जाता है, बेली फैट होगा तो बैक पेन स्टार्ट होगा, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उनको ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज भी कई बार स्टार्ट होता है. तो आई थिंक दिस कंडीशन वी नीड टू वर्क आउट फॉर दैट, एंड पेशेंट्स आर मोर कमिंग फॉर विद द नी पेन आल्सो विद द नेक एंड बैक पेन.
So what I understand, posture has a major role to
Major role.
play with respect to all the issues we discuss about back, knee, and neck. All these issues are, it's centralized on bad posture.
Exactly.
But the only thing guidance I know from my childhood is like सीधा बैठो, sit
हाँ जी.
straight, sit straight. Your elders are always there to tell you like sit straight.
Yeah.
But I think posture is much more than sitting straight. So
Yes.
if you need to summarize, like what is a right posture, can you give us some pointers on that?
See, while making a right posture, I think two to three points we need to make sure. I will just make it a very concise form. अगर आप लैपटॉप के थ्रू आपका वर्किंग चल रहा है तो योर लैपटॉप स्क्रीन शुड बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज. उनका पोजीशन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जस्ट फ्रंट ऑफ आईज होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि स्क्रीन नीचे, आपका सीट एडजस्टमेंट लो है, तो हमारा पोस्चर डायरेक्टली नेक फॉरवर्ड हम करने लग जाते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द नेक फॉरवर्ड वी ट्राई टू राइट इन दैट वे, सो वो आपका नेक पेन स्टार्ट करेगा।
राइट
अगर आपका फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग हो रहा है तो अगेन आपका स्पाइन जो है, जो थोरेसिक से लंबर रीजन होता है, वो भी फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग में आना शुरू
राइट
हो जाता है। तो टू मेक अ करेक्ट पोस्चर, आपका सीट एडजस्टमेंट होना चाहिए जिसमें कि हाइट उसका डाउन हो। आपका लैपटॉप स्क्रीन फ्रंट में होना चाहिए, स्क्रीन का जो पैटर्न है वो बिल्कुल आईज के सामने होना चाहिए, ना कि डाउन साइड में हो। तो
राइट
दैट विल बी मोर बेटर। एंड आई विल आल्सो सजेस्ट कि जो नी पेन इश्यूज भी यंगस्टर को हो रहा है, तो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आपके लेग्स के नीचे फुट स्टेप और समथिंग शुड बी देयर, सो दैट दे कैन जस्ट रैंडमली चेंज देयर लेग पोजिशन अप एंड डाउन। तो वो नी पेन कंटिन्यूअसली सेम पोजिशन में नहीं रहेगा।
राइट
तो एटलीस्ट मोबिलिटी होती रहेगी, मसल्स वर्क होगा, मसल पंपिंग चलती रहेगी, तो वो नी पेन भी अवॉइड हो सकता है। एंड हियर वन पॉइंट आल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, वाटर इनटेक। हम जब कंटिन्यूअसली 8 to 9 आवर्स या वॉट एवर जो भी शिफ्ट हमारा वर्किंग आवर्स है, हम भूल जाते हैं कि 4 घंटे कंटिन्यूस वर्क करेंगे, यार पानी भी पीना है हमें। तो आई थिंक वाटर इनटेक हमें इंक्रीज करना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर वाटर इनटेक नहीं होगा, अगेन द मसल इज नॉट गेटिंग अ प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन, वो नहीं मिल रहा है, तो पेशेंट और पर्सन यूज टू गेट क्रैम्प्स काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज, क्रैम्प आना शुरू हो जाता है उनको। तो वो चीजें भी हमें अवॉइड करना जरूरी है। तो उसके लिए वाटर इनटेक भी एक काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है जो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी रेगुलरली। आपको साथ में, अगर आपका ऑफिस वर्क चल रहा है, तो एटलीस्ट हैव अ वाटर बॉटल विथ यू, सो दैट इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू move from your place, at least take little bit sip of water in between your working hours, so that muscle will not get hampered and these things will go in a more smooth way.
राइट Right. So if
Yes.
I summarize our current discussion, two, three takeaways. First, your laptop should be at your eye level, so you don't have to do like this.
So
You
like
don't have
that.
to do like this. It should be at the eye level. Then you need to manage. Someone is asking, if I reduce the height of the chair, elbow posture is impacted. So yes, elbow posture is impacted, but you need to do it. I think there are these stands these days where you
Stands
put the
are
laptop.
exactly.
Right. So the current one, I think one table system will not help. You really need to have a different level for your laptop and different level for your keyboard, so that your elbows are rested. At the same time, your laptop is at the eye level for you, right?
See, basically, for maintaining this, there is a ergonomic workstation. Generally,
Right.
we kind of a thing used to
Mhm.
maintain and to do. So, आपका अगर वर्क ergonomic workstation आपने प्रॉपर बना रखा है, either you are in a office or at your work at your home doing a work from home. So, वो proper workstation अगर आपने बना रखा है,
Mm.
तो you will not get that kind of a neck pain, back pain or a knee pain issue. So,
Right.
likewise, someone has said कि अगर मैंने height adjustment किया भी है,
Mm.
तो मेरा एल्बो हैम्पर होगा। सो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क स्टेशन वी नीड टू मेक, जिसमें कि स्क्रीन, आपका एल्बो प्रॉपर आपका प्लेसमेंट हो,
Mm.
अगेन आपका नीज जो है वहां पे आपका फुट प्लेसमेंट होगा।
Mm.
तो आपको नी में फुट प्लेसमेंट चेंज करते रहेंगे तो नी पे कंटिन्यूसली इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा आपको।
Right. Right. So first level, second foot
Yes,
rest, आपको लेवल चेंज करते रहना है, नी में थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट रहेगा, नी पेन का इशू नहीं
exactly.
होगा। एंड थर्ड इज वाटर। मुझे
वाटर
लगता है अगर वाटर पियेंगे तो अपने आप ही 30 मिनट्स 45 मिनट्स में ब्रेक हो जाएगा। यू
ब्रेक
हैव
हो
टू
जाएगा।
स्टैंड, यू हैव टू गो टेक अ राउंड एंड कम बैक। वो
डेफिनेटली।
whether you are at office or you are at home, so the
हाँ,
water break is something which you can easily build into your routine.
and if you're taking a water intake, definitely you need to go for a pee after half an hour, 1 hour,
राइट
तो वो
राइट
पीने आपका
सो
नहीं हम हो ही
हाँ,
जाएगा।
वो तो बिल्कुल हो ही जाएगा। सो with respect to maintenance of mobility, so we understand mobility is a very important part, and a lot of pains are coming because of mobility issue. So how physiotherapy is important with respect to adding mobility, and after age, what is the importance of physiotherapy for aged people, like people who are above the age of 50?
See, निधि, विद द एजिंग आई थिंक मैं 1 or 2 पॉइंट्स में यहाँ पे आपको बताना चाहूंगा। जैसे जैसे हमारा एजिंग होता जाता है, हमारा बोन जो है वो डिजेनरेटिव कंडीशन में जाता है। देन विद द एज हमारा मसल्स भी है वो वीक होता जाएगा, ठीक है। अब अगर हमारा बोन डिजेनरेशन में जा रहा है, मसल्स वीक हो रहा है, तो वी नीड टू वर्क आउट ऑन आवर मसल्स। अगर मसल की स्ट्रेंथनिंग आप बनाते जा रहे हैं, इफ यू आर just making a kind of a small kind of exercise routine for every day, at least let us assume half an hour अगर आप exercise maintain कर रहे हैं for upper hands, for the legs, for the back neck movements आपने किया, कुछ स्ट्रेंथनिंग एक्सरसाइज आपने ऐड ऑन की है, तो वो आई थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म आपको एट द एंड टिल योर लास्ट ब्रेथ इट विल हेल्प यू आउट टू मेंटेन योर मोबिलिटी। जॉइंट्स मूवमेंट आप कर, लाइक हमने देखा होगा कि गार्डन में जो ओल्ड एज पर्सन है हमारे, दे यूज टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ अ मूवमेंट, नो मैटर स्पेसिफिक कोई ट्रेनर के थ्रू कर रहे हैं या खुद से, बट एटलीस्ट दे ट्राई टू डू सम मूवमेंट, शोल्डर मूवमेंट्स किया, लेग मूवमेंट्स किया, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेचिंग किया। तो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि अगर मोबिलिटी आपके शोल्डर जॉइंट्स की हो रही है, लेग्स की हो रही है, नी जॉइंट्स की हो गया, बैक की होगी, लंबर रीजन की, तो योर मोबिलिटी विल कीप योर यू यंग टिल योर लास्ट एज, बट विद द स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ योर मसल्स। अब मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग बेटर है तो आई थिंक जो डेली एक्टिविटीज हमें करना रहता है, थोड़ा सामान उठाना है या हाउस होल्ड वर्क है फॉर द लेडीज, तो मसल स्ट्रेंथिंग है, दे विल नॉट नीड एनी वन हेल्प, एटलीस्ट दे विल इंडिविजुअली इंडिपेंडेंटली वो अपना खुद का काम कर सकते हैं और किसी की हेल्प लेने की उनको नीड नहीं रहेगी। अगेन इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग अवर लाइफस्टाइल इन दैट वे, दैट नो एक्टिविटीज इन्वॉल्व इन अवर डेली लाइफस्टाइल, इट इज अ सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल, देन डेफिनेटली मसल्स वीकनेस में ही जाएगा, एक रॉन्ग पोस्चर अलाइन होता जाएगा, then it will give you a kind of a pain, and in a wrong way it will adapt the situations.
राइट राइट। सो आई अंडरस्टैंड विद एज हमारी बोन्स भी डिफॉर्म हो रही है, हमारे मसल्स भी वीक हो रहे हैं, बट द वर्क वी कैन डू इज टू वर्क ऑन आवर मसल्स एंड आवर मोबिलिटी सो दैट आवर बोन्स आर इन अ गुड शेप एंड सो दैट टिल द एंड यू नो what people are saying now our age is we are living longer, but
Right.
discuss about the quality of life. Are we healthier till that age? We are living 80 years, 90 years, but if you
Yeah.
are getting knee pain, back pain at the age of 40, 50, imagine you have to live another 45 years with that pain, which is going to be tough.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we are living longer, but are we living healthier? That is the biggest question here.
And
So the other thing I will ask, like a lot of people at times, you know, while playing, they develop some kind of muscle tear or go for a operation like this, and then doctor will ask them to continue with the physiotherapy. But most
physiotherapy.
of the time, we have seen, just because, as you already explained, the difficulty with physiotherapy, going to that place, getting it done, coming it back, time, money involvement.
Yeah.
Most of the people think like, we'll do it, we'll manage it. Surgery is already done, recovery
Yeah.
will happen. So this physiotherapy part is at times missed. And can you elaborate a bit on that how important it is, and missing on this can what can happen if you have missed on that?
Yeah, definitely. See, let me just take a simple example of a knee joint that generally happens with the old age person above 40 or 55%. TCAR, that is a total knee replacement, generally happen where a knee joint is totally replaced and a kind of a new things is added on the particular area. अब आपका नी जॉइंट का रिप्लेसमेंट हो चुका है, तो व्हाट जनरली हैपेंस ना, ओल्ड एज पर्सन है, कोऑपरेट नहीं कर पाते एक्सरसाइज के साथ, तो दे विल लाइक कि ठीक है नी जॉइंट मेरा रिप्लेसमेंट हो गया, अब मैं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ एक्सरसाइज। होता क्या है कि आपका जॉइंट चेंज हुआ है बट आपकी मसल्स भी हैम्पर हुई है सर्जरी के थ्रू, एक इंसिजन लगा है, कट आउट हुआ है, चेंजेस हुए हैं, तो अगेन यू नीड टू मेक योर मसल्स बैक टू द वर्क एज अ, एक सिंपल लेमन लैंग्वेज में बताऊं तो आपकी मसल्स या नी वापस एक बच्चा हो गई है, उसको आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा कि आपका वर्क ये है, यू नीड टू वर्क आउट। अभी अगर आप किसी भी चाइल्ड को रॉन्ग वे में सिखा रहे हो तो वो रॉन्ग ही जाएगा, अच्छा सिखाएंगे तो अच्छे में चला जाएगा। तो नी की एक्सरसाइज, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द नी बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द post operative cases, any of the post operative surgical cases, we need to work out with the physiotherapy exercise, and it's not only about the physiotherapy but in the right way of, right pathway of the physiotherapy. You need to work out for your mobility first of all, because your joint or something particular soft tissue injury or your bone joint has been replaced, so you need to work out for mobility. Then again you need to work for the strengthening of your muscles. If strengthening is achieved, then you need to work out little bit for the flexibility. Once the flexibility will be achieved, आपका movements होने लगा है, strength आने लगा है, लेकिन again we need to work out for the gait training also. It is I'm talking about the lower limb injuries. तो gait training आपको करना पड़ेगा कि exactly walking pattern क्या होता है. You need to stair climbing down and all, everything we need to cover. So either it is a shoulder joint, lower limb joint, back joint, post-operative physiotherapy is one of the most crucial part we need to work out. If the physiotherapy or a kind of exercise is not done, I think surgery will not be in that way. So physiotherapy, we need to work out post operative. It is very crucial role. If you go back to the return to the activity or return to the sports, we need to work out with the physiotherapy.
Right. Right. Thank you for educating everyone who is there in the live, and then there will be a lot of people who will be watching it later.
Yeah.
Personally, we do see clients who have like had this shoulder, surgery, and then doctor
Yeah.
asked for physiotherapy, and then everyone is busy in today's world, right? They
Yeah.
were like, physiotherapy will do it. Already, we have invested so much time, money, and effort in this operation. We'll do
Yeah.
it. We'll do it. They will take some session and then they will discontinue. And then years after, that surgery, they are not able to rotate their hand fully. There are mobility restriction just because that physiotherapy part was not taken care properly. There was no proper recovery, as you very nicely explained. Operation is a small 1 or 2 hour thing, but for
Yeah.
physiotherapists to teach you how to train your muscles like a small baby, and all those connections have to be developed so that you can get full range of motion throughout your life. So that
Throughout
part
it.
is not very well, I think, explained, or people are not aware of it. And what we see at a later age, or after some time also, the people are unable to recover from their surgery just because the physiotherapy was missing in those crucial time.
And here I would like to just add a point. Like I had seen many cases in the recent time, like surgery has been done 1 year, 2 years before. They had not gone through the physiotherapy. Now they are not able to do that particular moment which they need to do.
Right, right.
So वो हुआ ही नहीं है, वह 1 साल हो गया, 1.5 साल हो गया, वो मोमेंट्स ही नहीं कर पा रहे। क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक्टिविटी ही नहीं किया, उनको या तो सजेस्ट नहीं हुआ
हाँ,
या फिर वो खुद से प्रॉपर नहीं कर पाए फिजियोथेरेपी। तो
right,
इवन आफ्टर द हाफ 1.5 year the thing is in the same situations.
right, right. Yes, this is, I think, very, very beneficial. And in many cases, I understand with respect to deformation in spine, and with respect to knee as well. There are methods available where with physiotherapy you can improve your condition and surgery can be avoided. So I know Flexify Me, and I know that you have avoided a lot of surgeries. So if you can just shed some light on that, what kind of surgeries can be avoided if preventive physiotherapy, stretches, mobility can be built at an early age?
See, specifically, I will not say like this particular can be avoided, but likewise, I said, from the starting till end, if you are maintaining your proper posture, then everything can be managed in a conservative way. You can just avoid the other injuries, any other post-operative condition. You don't need to go for the surgery. If you are making a correct posture, likewise, I said, sitting desk job है, neck bending है, आप कंटिन्यूअसली जब आप नेक बेंडिंग हो ही रहा, आपका एक्टिविटीज नहीं है, नथिंग यू आर चेंजिंग विद द posture, the neck is getting stiff, the particular muscles is a trapezius muscles which is getting hampered. Once the stiffness will be there, the nerve compression will start with the cervical region. If it is in a starting phase, nerve compression will start giving a pain, then some numbness, some radiating pain. So once it will go in a severe condition, then you need to go for a surgery that cannot be reduced, that cannot be removed then. So anyhow, let us assume for the cervical, आपका posture करेक्ट करा, सब सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस की सर्जरीज रहती हैं, अगर वो कंडीशन एक्वायर हुआ वो आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं। फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग आपका आदत में लगा हुआ है, आप टोटल कंटिन्यूसली उसी पोजीशन में मेंटेन है, यू कैन अवॉइड द लंबर लेमिनोक्टोमी, अदर सर्जरी फॉर द लंबर रीजंस। if you are maintaining a good health with the diet and exercise with the mobility, you can avoid the even a knee surgery. Even I have seen many cases above 40 or 50 patients who has been suggested for the surgery, but they had not gone through the surgery. They try to go for the conservative management, like कि मुझे exercise ही करना है. They are doing the exercise, and even after 60 above age, they are doing proper activity. वो सभी कर रहे हैं और उनकी सर्जरी टोटली उनकी पोस्टपोन उन्होंने कर ली, क्योंकि दे आर मोर एक्टिव विद द एक्सरसाइज नाउ, बिकॉज समवन इज सजेस्टेड लाइक ओके नहीं एक्टिविटीज करो, सर्जरी अवॉइड हो सकती है, एंड दे आर डूइंग दैट, और उनको जाने का जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ रहा है सर्जरी में। So like that, if we are just making our bone joint mobility, muscle strengthening, then definitely you can avoid the surgery. Until and unless you are having some severe kind of issue, injury or an accident, then the scenario is a different.
Different scenario.
Yeah.
Right, right. So in case you have injury, some specific kind of condition, I will say 20%. There is always this 80-20 rule that 20% critical cases,
Yes.
specific condition, surgery is required, then those people have to go. But for majority of people, if they move enough, they will exercise enough, they can avoid surgery. And these days, I understand previously the knee replacement surgery was the average age was 60, it is 50, and now it is 45 itself.
45
Right.
also.
People are like at 45 itself, they doctor is telling that it's a time for you for go for a surgery because the this there is a lot of wear and tear in your mucus, and it has to be refurbished.
Yes.
There are a lot of people who are asking, is there any specific food which they can consume after surgery for better recovery? Is there anything like that?
See, again, it is like it is not about the specific food. See, again, the joint is different, surgery is different. So it is not like that particular surgery for the joint. We need to go for that only. यही food आपको लेना जरूरी है.
हाँ.
But अगर आपको डायबिटीज या कोई अदर इश्यूज नहीं है,
Hmm.
लाइक स्किन इश्यूज या फिर डायबिटीज हाइपरटेंशन के इश्यूज नहीं है आपको, तो आई थिंक दे कैन टेक वॉट एवर फूड विल बी बेटर फॉर दैट. एंड अगेन विद द कंसल्टेशन विद द डाइटिशियन और न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, जो कि उनको कंडीशन वाइज बेटर सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. बट अगर आपको कुछ अदर फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस नहीं है, तो आई थिंक एवरी फ्रूट्स इज गुड फॉर देम. नथिंग कैन बी अवॉइडेड, दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. ओनली यू नीड टू टेक केयर इफ कोई अदर इश्यूज हैं, देन यू नीड टू टेक केयर कि ये पर्टिकुलर चीज हमें नहीं लेनी, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग दे कैन टेक.
राइट. आई थिंक जो लोग पूछ रहे हैं शायद उनका ओबिसिटी से भी रिलेशन है. आपका सर्जरी तो हो गया है, बट अगर आपका वेट ज्यादा है तो ऑब्वियसली इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए वेट रिड्यूस करना, क्योंकि वेट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर रीजन व्हाई देयर इज लॉट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर नीज, ऑन योर जॉइंट्स.
Obviously.
Right. So in case आपका weight ज़्यादा है, please take food which is suiting your requirement so that you can reduce your weight. But in case you are healthy, you are doing well, there is no issue with respect to hypertension, there is no issue with respect to any other, previous,
Previous illness or any
history of
diabetes or
disease,
anything.
then you can consume normal food. There is no specific food which is required to be consumed after surgery for better recovery, right?
But yeah, definitely, if you are having obesity issues, then try to make little bit mobility and avoid something which is increasing your already fat.
Right.
Just you can avoid that particular things.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Great. Thank you, Dr. Naveen, for sharing all this. We are super excited to have this session with you, and we'll be, getting in touch with you in future as well for specific topics and to discuss things in much more detail. Specific condition much more in detail. So thank you for
Thank you so
joining
much.
us today, and we wish you a very happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Thank you so much, Nidhi.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. I'm just saving this live, and I'll see you next Friday. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.